in that atmosphere. Amen.
Amen.
Because God is all knowing. God is all knowing. God is all hearing. God is all seeing. God is all everything. So as you fellowship with that, what God knows is transferred to you. Whether it be about you, about your church, about those around you, but first and foremost, we must pray just to enjoy the fellowship with the Father. Which means we must pray when there is no need to pray. We must pray when there is nothing wrong to pray against. Because when we start to pray when there is need, it's good. But normally it delivers. You're already in the battle and you're beginning to train to fight. But it must come. Because these prayers, the reason why God says you must pray always, is so that we are not fighting fires. Before we get to a problem, we know the problem is coming. We are ready for the problem. God has already prepared us. Or before the problem comes, you already dealt with it. Something the enemy is putting together, he already dismantled it before he puts it together. So, but to get to that, we must enjoy the fellowship. It's precious. It's awesome. There is no language you can pray with like tongues. This is a special language. This is a special communication. There is something about language. Should I tell you about now? There is what the Bible calls there is